Today we're going to paint a blooming tree full of heart-shaped leaves while giving loving energy to yourself and others. We're going to start with painting the leaves in the upper part of your piece of paper. Pick up a color of your liking. I'm using red and pink, but feel free to create your own special tree with purple, blue or yellow leaves. Now start with a layer of light leaves by using more water to your paint so your color will become more transparent, and then paint small hearts. We start with the leaves first and then connect all the leaves to the branches later on. Imagine yourself experiencing complete inner peace. Imagine feeling perfect love for yourself. Thanking yourself for all that you are, knowing that you are just right, just as you are. For every new layer of leaves, use more paint, so your color pops out more, and now expand the field of your heart and think of other beings who love you very much. When you've added many heart-shaped leaves, pick up some brown and paint the trunk of the tree on the left side of your piece of paper. Use the tip of your brush to create thin strokes for the branches that connect to the leaves, connecting to all the things you love about yourself and connecting to all the persons that you love. Add even more heart-shaped leaves to your liking while practicing loving kindness towards yourself and others. There is no set way to practice loving kindness. When you're practicing on yourself, you could say something positive to yourself while waking up in the morning with a big smile on your face. You can love yourself when you're taking a shower and singing all your favorite music. You can learn to adore yourself even in your most vulnerable moments. Start by falling in love with everything you do and say. And when you're feeling your heart is filled with love, think about the ones you wish well. Say to yourself what exactly your wishes are to them and feel the power of love through your whole body.